Sometimes things can look a little dull. But that can be fixed. With a few makeup tricks, that is. Wow! Do I look gorgeous or what? I'd call that an improvement. The story's sad. I could use some digital company. Nobody's even online? I feel so alone. Now what do I do? Oh. Check out this girl. How's she doing this to her hair? I want to look just like my doll. And it all starts with the brows. Don't forget to fill them all in. Then comes some shimmery shadow. Bring it all the way up to the lid. Blend it all. Then add some white to your waterline. Actually, a little thicker than that. Look at that gorgeous glow. Then add a brown to add dimension. Then blend, of course. See how nicely it goes together? But we're not done yet. Line that eye with the black liner. Then add a little bit on the bottom. Then add some lines going this way. See how they look like eyelashes? Time for a good old-fashioned contour. Now bring out that beauty blender. Keep going. Now add some rouge to your cheeks. Ta-da! Now line the lips, but not too harsh. Then blend in a nice rosy color. Mwah! Pull out the corners with this effect. Now's where you really start looking like a doll. Aw, so cute! All done! This living doll ought to get some attention. Oh, hello there. Shall we start streaming now? This will definitely be more fun to watch. More coffee, sweetheart? Cheryl? Is she asleep? Maybe she needs a little wind-up. Wakey, wakey! Oh! Thanks for the help! Now I can move! And look at all these people watching! Now we're talking! Wave hi! Come on, Tasha. Time to come out. Your hair today is fantastic and on point. Hey! Look what she's got! No way! Your doll is beautiful! I love her hair! What's her name? Oh, everyone's in love with her doll over there. Darla, I think we might need to do something with your hair. Wait! I know what we can do! Alright, I can't change my doll, but I can transform myself. I'll start with these green contacts. And now onto makeup. I'm gonna use this white pencil on my eyelids. I'll just dab it on. And then I'll use a brush to blend it. Next up, this bright pink. I'll use it on the outsides of my lids. Now for the glitter. The best! Just a little bit on the white. I'll need a good cat eye with my eyeliner. Can't forget the bottom either. Now for some more pink too. And of course, more glitter. There we go. Eyes are good, so time for the blender. Alright, that's enough for the blender. I'll do a touch of blush with my brush, and then move on to brows. They've been shaped, so now I need to add some more color. Time for lips. Last step, false lashes. Did you think I was done? Nope. Got you! 2 little white lines on my lips will look like highlights. And now, of course, I need hair. Hair is set. Now for some more makeup. I'll paint my hairline with this brown. And now for some more white lines. Yes! I'm done! And I look spectacular if I say so myself. She's just so lovely and… oh my gosh! That's right. I'm back in class. Oh, wow, wow, wow! Look at her! You look just like her doll, but better! Sorry, Tasha. I'll see you later. Watch me do my doll dance! Can I help you? A party? Check out what we just got! And a costume party, too! We'd better start getting ready then. Let's go! Starting off with a solid base is the key to transformation. Come on! Nothing's changing! I still don't look any different at all. I just can't catch a break here. I can't go to the costume party looking like this. If only I could wear these colors. Turns out, you can transform colored pencils into makeup. Yep, just let them soak in there. Now it's nice and soft. Let the coloring begin. The color goes on so smooth now. Next up, pink. And as many different colors as you'd like, one after another. Almost done! I'm doing the entire rainbow here! And why not do a little wing at the end? Don't forget to match both eyes. Now, what do you think? Pretty cool trick, right? Now all that's left is the outfit. I know! Rainbow-tastic, baby! Okay, time to get ready for the party. I'm sure I have something in here. Ah! None of my stuff will work at all! Nope. Even worse. Why do I even have this? Ugh! Hey! Oh no! How'd you… Don't freak out. There's gotta be something here that'll work. My fishnets? How? Just gotta think outside the box here. Okay. Just one more important step. The fishnets help you get a scale effect. Use blue hues on your cheeks. And purple down over your lips. Take off the tights and enjoy the gorgeous results. Now that's way better! You ready to party? Go us! Come on! Is this place awesome or what? Okay, loving the makeup. Right? Everyone's looking at us! Even the DJ. He's pretty cute. We should dress like this every day. Alright, I think my ice cream table is finally ready to go. Ugh, look at her over there. Huh? Is she glaring at me? Hey! Ice cream! Come and get it over here! Yes! Here's your ice cream cone! Thank you so much and enjoy! Ice cream! Fresh and delicious! Today only! Yes! My ice cream is a huge hit! One for you, and here for you, and you too! What? I can't believe she made so much money already! Hey! I have ice cream over here! It's delicious! Why doesn't anyone want to buy my ice cream? It's just as delicious. Wait, maybe it's my look. Okay, I'll start with eye color. I think I'll go with blue. And now I'll use one of my ice cream cones. I traced the cone, and now I need paper napkins and liquid latex. I'll crumple the paper and dip it into the latex. Now I'll put it around the circle I drew. I want to make sure to do it around the whole circle. There we go. Done. Now to bring the cone back. And I'll just place the cone back into the spot I traced. Okay. I'll use this white pencil to trace a line down my face. All the way down to my lips and chin. Okay, that should be good enough. Now for this pink paint palette and brush. I'll dab it on the paper now that it's dried. I'll cover all the paper and then start painting my face too. Done! You know what's next? Sprinkles! I'll just sprinkle them over the cone and the paint. I'll also put them on my lips and my eyelid. And I'm done! It looks like I have a melted cone on my face! Time to get back to selling ice cream! Ice cream! I have ice cream available!
Whoa! Look at her! That's where I'm gonna get my ice cream! Wow! Your makeup's amazing!
Thanks! Here's your ice cream!
Me too, please. I'd like a cone. Ooh, this ice cream is delicious!
Ugh! What the heck? Well, I can do that too!
There. See? What do you think about that?